Structure and composition. The Sun is primarily composed of hydrogen, about 74%, and helium, about 24%. Other elements make up the remaining 2%. Size. The Sun is a medium-sized star, but it's gigantic compared to planets. Around 1.3 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. Its mass is approximately 333,000 times that of Earth. Age. The Sun is about 4.6 billion years old, and it's estimated to have about another 5 billion years of life before entering a more advanced phase of its evolution. Source of energy. The Sun generates energy through nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium in its core. This reaction releases a massive amount of energy in the form of light and heat. Atmospheric layers. The Sun has several layers in its atmosphere, including the photosphere, the visible part, the chromosphere, the transition region, and the corona. The corona, which is the outermost layer, is visible during a total solar eclipse. Sunspots. Sunspots are darker areas on the Sun's photosphere caused by intense magnetic activity. They can vary in size and shape over time. Solar cycle. The Sun goes through a cycle of approximately 11 years, known as the solar cycle. During this period, solar activity, including sunspots and coronal mass ejections, increases and decreases. Solar wind. The Sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles, known as solar wind, which affects the space environment throughout the solar system. Coronal mass ejections, CMEs. The Sun occasionally releases massive amounts of material ejected from the corona, known as coronal mass ejections. When these CMEs reach Earth, they can cause auroras and interfere with communication and electronic systems. Solar eclipses. During a solar eclipse, the Moon aligns between Earth and the Sun, temporarily blocking sunlight and casting a shadow on Earth. This creates a rare and impressive visual spectacle. Solar light. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel the distance between the Sun and Earth. This means that when we look at the Sun, we're seeing it as it was more than 8 minutes ago. Main sequence star. The Sun is a main sequence star, the stage in which it spends most of its life converting hydrogen into helium. This makes it essential for sustaining life on Earth. These are just a few of the many fascinating facts about our Sun. It remains an actively researched area and an invaluable source of knowledge about stellar physics and the workings of the universe.